this is the very first criminal case in which suspect's name has been figured and no one is quite ready to hazard a guess. Okay, what is the meaning of, okay, so the question is, shouldn't it be to guess a hazard? Okay, so what the statement says is, this is the very first criminal case in which suspect's name has been figured and no one is quite ready to, okay, so the name has been figured, okay, of whose, of the suspect, okay, but no one is ready to take a chance, and hazard a guess means to take a chance on a guess. Okay, that is the meaning of Sony, if that is clear. It should not be, we are not grammatically speaking, we are idiomatically speaking over here. Okay, so it is an idiom. Hazard a guess means take a chance on a guess. Okay, so no one is ready to take a chance on the guess that they have, on the name that they have figured out. Okay, so this is the very first case. That's what the statement is trying to state. Okay, so this is absolutely fine. Hazard a guess is absolutely fine. But where is the error? Is there an error in this statement? Okay, hazard a guess, let me just, okay, where is the error though? Is there an error? What is wrong with very first? I don't think so there is an error over there. Where is the error? No. That is absolutely fine. It is fine that we use, it is the very first case, okay, because we are talking about it being, we are talking about the intensity of the guess. Okay, this is the very first time. Very is redundant here. I don't think so. I think it aptly fits over there. Okay, this is the very first time I have taken an online session. If someone says that, that is not wrong. Okay, or this is the very first time that this is happening to me. Okay, this is the very first criminal case. Okay, let's go back. Criminal case in which suspect's name, okay, in which suspect's name has been figured and no one is quite ready to hazard a guess. But okay, if you are saying, I don't think, according to me there is no error, but if you are saying in which suspect's name, the suspect's name is absolutely fine, but I don't think there is any changes required. Even if it is just suspect's name, it is fine. The is missing. Usually errors are not that type, Shubham and Sony. The errors are not something that is missing. The errors is always the statement given, you have to change it or alter it in certain way and then add on something to it, but usually it's a word that is given wrong and it is not something that is missing. Okay, so what was the answer given for this, by the way? I am not sure, because I think there is no error in this statement. There is no error. So Sony, if you can just pull up and just pull it, the question, if you have and you know the answer, if anyone can tell me what was the answer given for this, because I do not think there is an error in this statement at all. Okay, till that happens, let's move on to the next question and not waste time. Part 2, in which this has been yes, you are right. You are right, Jaimurli. You are absolutely right. The error is indeed in figured out. Yes, the name has been not figured, it has been figured out. Yes, figured out is the phrase. So you are right. Jaimurli is absolutely right. Fantastic, Jaimurli. This is the first time I'm seeing you solve error spotting question when no one else could solve it. As in, that is remarkable. Okay, good job. Okay, yes. So the error is in option 2. It should be in which suspect's name has been figured out. Okay, is the right phrase. All right. As soon as she entered the house, her head struck against the roof of the hall. Okay, now the question is, when to use roof and when to use ceiling? Please explain. Okay, so when do we use ceiling? What is ceiling? First, let's understand, and what is the difference between ceiling and roof? Okay, so ceiling is nothing but is the uppermost you can call it covering of the wall. In any room. Okay, so if this is the room, the inside, this part is the ceiling. Okay, and this part is the roof. The outer part is the roof. Roof, ceiling. Okay, and roof is the other side. The house. Okay, so her head, if we draw the diagram, her head struck over here and not here. All right, while she was entering the room, her head struck over here. Bam! I ate a mango which was very sour. I ate the mango which was very sour. Okay, now from above sentence, which is correct and why? Okay, now if you ask me, I ate a mango which was very sour, it depends completely on the scenario. Okay, if you're talking about a particular mango out of the mangoes that you had got, and you're choosing one single mango out of it, and you're saying out of all those mangoes only that mango was sour and I ate that mango, then you will use the. Okay, on the other hand, I ate a mango which was sour, which was very sour. That means you're being very vague about the mango. You're not talking about a particular mango, you're just talking about eating one single mango that was sour. Okay, so both the statements are correct. There is nothing wrong. Both are absolutely fine. It just depends on the usage. Okay, if you are talking about whether you are being particular about a single mango, or you're pointing out to that mango, or you are talking in general and not and mango just being singular in that case, then you will use the first statement, otherwise the second statement. Yes, specific particular mango you will use the, else you will use a. Okay.